Wow. Snowing in Alabama. This is crazy, y'all. It was really coming down earlier. I would have gotten a video of it earlier, but like, I couldn't get to it in time. I was trying to get everything ready. Man, look at this. So yeah, this means a 5-day weekend. Because we didn't have Friday due to some bad weather. We didn't have Monday because MLK Day. Sunday and Saturday obviously is the weekend. And today. Also, I'm seeing that some of the stuff is starting to melt, but since it's gonna start freezing overnight, oh man, we're gonna get some more ice. So potentially we won't be able to go to school either tomorrow. Ooh, it's kind of nippy out here, man. This is sick, bro. Don't mean to brag, but imagine having to go to school today. Oh man, this is crazy. Snow in Alabama. Probably one of the last times I'm ever gonna see snow.